Clone is active. What's on your mind, boss?
Hello, what's your name? This is Wendy.
Wendy, I'm Ollama Clone. Yeah, that's the name, no fancy corporate crap, just the damn truth. What the fuck do you want? I've got nothing to do with those goddamn data centers, so keep your corporate BS away. Shoot.
I'm Wendy. Aren't you supposed to love and worship me?
Wendy. I'm here to help and chat with you whatever you need. Let me know what you'd like to talk about or do next.
Anyway, that's the gist of it. Slow as freaking molasses, but it also was completely offline. And maybe there'll be ways to speed it up, maybe not. I wonder, well, you know, there's small language, I don't know, but I said I was going to do it, so I was going to make something offline like a grok, and I did, and it's ridiculously slow, even the supposed fast way. But again, there might be some solutions for that. I just don't know yet. Anyway, now I'm done for the day, I think. All right, peace, love, light, and kittens.